friends! Today we have another new red word to learn. And our new red word is underlined in red in this sentence. The sentence says, I am so happy. Our new red word is this word, S-O, so. It looks like this. And you'll notice it's a very short word. It only has 2 letters, S-O. So, you use this word when you're trying to say that something is like a lot more, like it is so hot. It's not just a little hot, it is very, very hot. Or if something is so small, it's not just a little bit small, it's very, very, very small. So, let's write it. The first time, I'm going to write the word, and you are just going to watch. So you'll notice I'm using the red word paper that's in the packet that you picked up from your school. You could also use your red word book if you have that at home with you. I'm using a red marker and a black marker because they show up a little better on camera. You could use a red crayon and a pencil or a black crayon. We are also going to use our canvas if you have that at home. So if you need to stop the video and go get those things, you can go ahead and do that. Watch me as I write the word so. S-O, so. Good. Put your canvas underneath your paper. And let's write the word together. 1, 2, 3. S-O, so. Good. Let's arm tap it and then we'll sing our red word of the day song. We'll start by arm tapping 3 times. 1, 2, 3. S-O, so. Good. Make sure you're either looking at the word on my card here or on your paper. Make sure to say the letters as you're looking at them. Here comes 2. S-O, so. Last time. S-O, so. And now let's do our red word of the day song. There was the red word of the day, and so was our red word. S-O, so. S-O, so. S-O, so. And so was our red word. Next, we're going to slide our canvas out from under the paper. And we're going to trace over the letters on our paper 3 times. Make sure you say each letter and then the word. 1, 2, 3. S-O, so. Again, S-O, so. Last time, S-O, so. Good. If you have your canvas, put your canvas on top. So as you trace over the letters, you'll feel the bumpies from your canvas. If you don't have your canvas, that's okay. Just trace the letters again on top of your paper. 1, 2, 3. S-O, so. Here's 2. S-O, so. Last time. S-O, so. Good. Next, we're going to write that word 3 more times. Remember to say each letter in the word as you're writing it. That really helps you stick it in your brain, so when you want to write the word or read the word in a book, you can do it quickly. Okay, here we go. S-O, so. Number 2. S-O, so. And one more time. S-O, so. Good. The last thing we're going to do is write a sentence using that word. So I'm going to scooch down here to where I have my space for my sentence. And our sentence is going to say, it is so hot. Let's count the words in our sentence. It is so hot. How many words? 4. Good. Let's draw our lines so we know where we want to write those words. I'm switching to my black marker. You might want to switch to a crayon or a black crayon or a pencil. So our first word is the word it. Is that a red word? No. So how many lines do we give it? 2. Good. That's a green word. It is. Red word? Yep. But before we draw those 2 lines, what do we need to put when we're ready for a new word? Good. Put a finger space. It is so. That's our new red word. Again, I've got my finger space because I'm ready for a new word. It is so hot. Is that a red word? No, that's a green word. So just one line. Touch each line and say the word that you're going to write there with me. It is so hot. Good. Let's start writing. We have a mountain that we can draw at the beginning. And what does the mountain tell us to do? Yeah, it reminds us to start with a capital letter. So the first word is it. What's the first sound you hear? It. It. Yeah, I. And we have to make that a capital I because it's the first letter of the first word in our sentence. It. It. It is. That's a red word. Show yourself how to write the red word is. What letters did you use? I, S, is. Good. It is so. That's our new word. S, O, so. It is so hot. Good. That's a green word. Hot. Yep. H. Ought. Ought. O. Hot. Hot. T. Good. And we're at the end of our sentence, so we need a punctuation mark. Good. A way to let the reader know that our sentence is over. And I would say for this one, we can use an exclamation mark because when you use the word so, it really means that like it's a lot more than just normal. So it would probably be a word you would use if you're writing a very exciting sentence that needs an exclamation mark. Show yourself how to draw a line under the new red word, so. Again, I switched back to my red marker. You might want to switch back to your red crayon. And let's read that sentence together. 1, 2, 3. It is so hot. Nice work today, writers. We learned the new red word, so.